Good morning, my wonderful students. How are you all? You are welcome to the online video class. My name is Ogugua. I'm your teacher. I'll be teaching you mathematics. Our topic today is angles. Under this topic, we're going to look into the meaning of angles, the types of angles we have, and angles on a straight line and at a point. The meaning of angles. We have it that an angle is the measure of rotation of a line about a fixed axis or line. Let me take it again. An angle is the measure of rotation of a line about a fixed axis or line. Now we have types of angles. And the types of angles, one of them is acute angle. The next one is right angle. The next one is obtuse angle. The next one is straight angle. Next, you have reflex angle. And then complete rotation angle. For the first type of angle, the acute angle, we say that an acute angle is the angle that is less than 90 degrees. Look at the diagram on the board. Here is the acute angle. The second type of angle we have here, the right angle. The right angle is equal to 90 degrees. Here is the diagram on the board. This is a right angle equal to 90 degrees. The next type of angle we have is obtuse angle. We say that an obtuse angle is the angle which is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Here is the diagram on the board. This is the obtuse angle. The next type of angle we have is straight angle. A straight angle is equal to 180 degrees. Look at the diagram on the board. This is the straight angle we are talking about. The next type of angle we have is reflex angle. A reflex angle is the angle that is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. A reflex angle is the angle that is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. Here is the diagram on the board. The angle outwards is the reflex angle we are talking about. The one inside, you will recall that it is an acute angle. Okay, we go to the next type of angle we have, complete rotation angle. The complete rotation angle is equal to 360 degrees. It is the angle formed at a point when a body or an object rotates about a point, making a complete cycle. The angle made at that point is equal to 360 degrees and it is called complete rotation angle. On a straight line and at a point. 1. The sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. This is a straight line. We'll have two angles on it represented with the letters A and B. So we'll have it that A plus B is equal to 180 degrees as long as this straight line is concerned. This rule, you have to take note of it because we'll be applying it subsequently. The second one, vertically opposite angles are equal. The vertically opposite angles are equal. These vertically opposite angles are formed by two intersecting lines. In these angles formed here by the two intersecting lines, we have A representing one of the angles, B representing another, C representing another angle, and D representing the last angle. For A, if you look at this closely, you notice that A is directly opposite to C. So according to this rule, we have that A is equal to C. If the value of A is something like 50 degrees, automatically C must be 50 degrees. If the value of B is something like 130 degrees, automatically D must be 130 degrees. So A is equal to C and B is equal to D for vertically opposite angles. The next one we have sum of angles at a point is 360 degrees. When you have a number of angles that meet together at a particular point, as represented by this diagram here, their sum is equal to 360 degrees. That is, A plus B plus C plus D plus E should be equal to 360 degrees. The angle at a point, in this case, they are 5. In some other case, they may be 3 only. In another case, there may be more than 5. But as long as all of them meet at a central point, we apply the rule. Sum of angles at a point is 360 degrees. The next one, two angles that add up to 90 degrees are complementary. Two angles that add up to 90 degrees are complementary. Look at the little diagram here. A and B are two angles in this case. They add up to 90 degrees. So A plus B must be equal to 90 degrees if they are complementary. Example of the complementary angle here can be 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Another example can be 25 degrees and 65 degrees. Another example can be 20 degrees and 70 degrees. So at this point, we'll end the class for now. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.